Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble this F40 mask, this AirFit F40 mask by ResMed. Check it out and let's take a look. All right, so here we have the F40 mask all in its complete assembly. So first of all, you can actually simply disconnect the little short tubing here with the pincher clip. So you pinch that and it comes right off. The magnetic clips, you can detach that. And the mask cushion itself, you see these little tabs, you can push it right through the frame and the cushion just pops right out as well. So now we have the face cushion removed. This central diffuser piece where the short hose latches on can also come off. You can essentially push it out from the inside of the cushion and there you go, that comes out as well. And now the cushion is completely bare. You have the frame system here, which you can actually remove the top Velcro strap. So you're just going to untape the Velcro and then pull it right through the loops. And now you have completely disassembled your F40 mask. You could technically even remove the fabric paddings right on the side over here. They simply slide right out from the frame too. So this is how you take apart your F40 mask. You can of course remove the magnetic clips from the loops as well by simply pulling the Velcro tape right out of the loops. So here you have a completely disassembled F40 mask. Makes it nice and easy and convenient for cleaning and drying your equipment. So now let's put it right back together. All right, so we're going to put this mask back together. If you remove the loops, you're simply just going to have it push it right through the side frames. So you're going to go all the way through until the loop pops right out. And now you have the frame attached. If you remove the magnetic clips, make sure you tape that back onto the headgear so it's back on there. And then for the cushion, you can pop the central diffuser right in. So make sure the narrow piece is facing inwards into the cushion. And you're just going to pop it right into it. And there you go. So now we have the cushion. You can also basically now pop the cushion right into the frame. So remember those two tabs, you're going to pop them right into the openings that they're associated with. So now the cushion is onto the frame. The short tubing can simply click right onto the front of the mask. And last but not least, you're simply going to have to latch on the top two Velcro straps, or you're just going to go from the underside of the frame and tape it backwards. And now you have the F40 mask fully assembled. You have your magnetic clips also ready to latch onto your mask. And that's how you put back together your AirFit F40.